So today we're working at the Thai Embassy in central London. Working here with Boiler Trust again, and it's great. I love working with these guys. They get some of the best jobs. So we're taking out the old floor standing boiler. We're going to put in a 32 kilowatt Viessmann boiler here. This is not a particularly high heat loss building, but it's been over engineered like many buildings are in London. So we're going to put it in, we're going to plate separate the boiler, leave the system open vented as it is now, and that way we can avoid any complications with systems and with any joints that might not be up to holding the pressure of a sealed system. Also, we'll protect the boiler 100% from any contamination in the system, so the boiler will remain like brand new, just as we'd like it to. So I'm going to take out the ventilation shaft. So this is compartment ventilation. That's our air inlet, that's our air outtake. I like the little label and switch on this little box there. I think that's quite ingenious. That little label's being sucked in by the fan operating a micro switch in that box, just to let the system know that that's actually working, that the fan's on. So without the fan switch being operated, the boiler wouldn't fire. We've also got, because it's non-condensing, we've got back-end protection here in the form of a diverter valve. So what happens here to prevent the boiler from condensing, this valve operates, short circuits the system, so it goes directly back to the boiler. Once the boiler's up to high temperature, avoiding condensing, the valve will, I don't know whether it's a mixing valve or a diverter valve, so either diverts all the water to the system and will keep moving between the two as it raises the temperature of the system, or whether it starts to allow some to bypass and go around the system. One or the other anyway, but that's there to prevent condensation effect coming in the back of the boiler. Flue rise here goes into a 90, and there's quite a long run before it joins into a chimney, so that's not allowed. So we have a commercial guy arriving to isolate the gas here, and this will be converted over to a domestic system inside the property here, with a domestic boiler and domestic output to the water. And what else can we tell you about this? So that's it. So that's the project. Boiler out, ventilation system out, new Viessmann condensing boiler on the wall, plate separation. That will be run by the old pump here. This is actually not as big as it looks. It's a huge pump, but this is only a 6-meter head pump. That's a 4060, so that's higher flow than normal, but no extra head. It's only like a large house here. It's not anything massive. So that's it. I don't think I missed anything. So we'll take some more video a bit later and keep it updated.